example, let's place this number in the place value chart and read it. We place it from right to left, not from left to right. We don't start placing the 6 from the left. Be careful. So let's read it. We read each unit separately. We start with the from left to right, starting with the 6. It's 6,815,706,106. So 6,815,000,000, 706,000,106. So we don't put S, we don't write billions, millions, no, billion, million, thousand. But if they ask us what is the place value of, for example, 7, we say 7 is the 100,000s. We place an S here, digit. Or if they ask you what does the 5 represents in this number, we answer 5 is the millions digit. Now here, be careful, 6 is called the billions digit. We don't say 6 is the 1 billions digit. So 6 is called the billions digit instead of 1 billions digit. Now we have this example. This number, let's place it in the place value chart. It's formed of 12 digits. We have 4 units with 3 digits each. Now let's read this number. So we start from left to right. We read the number in this unit. This is the billions unit. It's unit number 4, 427 billion. Here in the millions unit, if you notice, we have only zeros. So we don't read the zeros, we skip this unit. So the millions unit, we don't read it if it only contains zeros. 506,203. So we write 427 billion, comma, we skip the millions unit, 506,203. So this year we are going to learn numbers formed of at most of 12 digits, up to 12 digits, not more. Now let's continue with the next part, how to write a number in digit form given its word form. Write in digits the following number. So we have this number in words, 76,020,400. We are going to learn how to write it in digits. First, we notice that the greatest unit here is the millions. First, we find the greatest unit. Here, the greatest unit is the millions. Then, this number must contain 3 units in it. So after the millions, we must have the thousands and the ones unit. In the millions unit, we have the number 76. So first, we write 76, then we put a comma. Now we need to find the other digits. Since we have 2 more units to fill, we write dash 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 comma for the thousands unit, 3 dashes comma, and 3 dashes for the ones unit. Now how do we find these other 6 digits? So in this number we have millions, thousands, and ones unit. So remark, I should find first how many digits in total do I have in the number before I find its digits. So here we found that this number contains 8 digits, 2 in the millions and 6 in the other 2 units. Now let's find these digits. So in the thousands unit we have 20. So to write 20 we place 2 in the 10,000s place and 0 in the thousands place. Now in the ones unit we have 400. So we write 4, 0, 0. Now here we notice we have this empty space. So we place a 0 in this empty space. In the end, I fill the empty space with zeros. If I forget to place the 0, the number will be completely wrong. It will be, instead of 76 million, it will be 7,620,400, a completely different number. Now let's continue with more examples. Write in digits the following numbers. First number, 8,003,000,007. So first, we find the greatest unit here. It's the billions. So this number contains 4 units. In the billions unit, we have the 8. This one is easy to find. So I write 8, then I place a comma. We filled the billions unit. Now, after the billions, we have 3 more units, the millions, the thousands, and the ones. So that's why I put 3 dashes, comma, 3 dashes, comma, 3 dashes. So here I have 4 units, the billions, the millions, the thousands, and the ones. I must fill them all. If I skip one digit, the number will be completely different. Now let's continue. In the millions unit, I have 3. 3, it's not 300, it's not 30, it's 3, just 3. So I place it in the millions place. It's the ones in the millions. Now 7. It's just 7, it's not 7,000, so it's not in the thousands unit. It's in the ones unit. It's not 700, it's not 70, it's 7 ones. So I place it in the ones place. Now here, if we notice, we have a lot of empty spaces, a lot of empty dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what do you think we should do here? We fill them with zeros. So here I must fill these empty spaces with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. If I don't place these zeros, the number will be completely different. If I only place 837, it will be 837. It's a completely different number. So be careful. Now let's check again. It's 8,003,000,007. So it's correct. Now let's do this last example. 202,32,180,014. So same step to follow. What is the greatest unit here? It's the billions. So this number contains 4 units. In the billions unit, we have 202. So first we write 202, then a comma. After the billions unit, we have 3 more units to fill. So 3 dashes, comma, 3 dashes, comma, 3 dashes. Now let's continue. In the millions unit, we have the number 32. So we put 3 in the 10 millions place and 2 in the millions place. Now in the thousands unit, we have 180. So I write 181,80. This one is easy to fill. And in the ones unit, we have 14. 1 in the tens place and 4 in the ones place. We still have 2 more digits to fill. They are empty, so we fill them with 2 zeros. And my number is found. So let's read it again. 202,032,180,014. So it's correct. It's exactly the same. When you finish finding a number in digits, read it again and check if it matches with its form in words. If it doesn't, it means one digit is wrong or you did something wrong. So this is the end of our video. I would like to ask you to rewatch the videos as much as needed until the concept is fully understood. And thank you for watching.